how to do lunges with a kettlebell. So kettlebells are great, again, right? You can do a lot of different things with it. One of the first ones we're going to do, again, is very similar to what we did in our goblet squat. You can check that out in another video. So again, keeping it up high, we're going to lunge out with it. Again, you want to have that nice, stable position. You want to have ideally about a 90. If you go a little over the foot, that's okay, as long as you're properly dorsiflexing, which basically means that your ankle is going through a proper range of motion, that the toes are coming up towards the knees. Now, if you start to do that and it's too tight, you have too much stiffness, so you don't have enough range of motion in the ankle and the heel comes off, then you want to adjust your stance by coming out a little further, right? And that way you're having good motion, your weight is being distributed through your heel rather than on the balls of your feet where you're not in that good stable position. So this is essentially your position you want to be in. Don't let the knee touch the ground. So you're going to be slightly off the ground. Chest is going to be up. Shoulder blades again are back. And my torso is nice and tall. Right? Coming back to our standing position. And now you can do the same leg again. It's going to be a little bit harder. Or what you can do is alternate the leg. So that's the original version. If you want to take it up a notch, do a pass-through on the motion. That way, it's going to add a little bit of horizontal interference, if you will. So lunging out, passing through to the other side, right? So again, we're going to pass through, catching with the other arm. You can catch in between here, or you can actually do almost a throw. The throw, as you can see, is going to add that force that's going to bring you this way, and you're going to have to stabilize through the ankle, the knee, the hip joint, everywhere to counterbalance and bring that back to center, to realign your center of gravity. And so that's really great, again, for that stabilization of the joints, also the core, and it makes it much more challenging. So if we're going full speed with this, this is how it looks. Passing it through, back, back through. Exhaling as you come up. Now what a lot of people do when they do a lunge also is that back leg tends to twist in. They'll come out, they'll twist in, or they'll have the knee duck in. You want to your best ability, stay in that straight line like so. The body works really well in that linear motion. So trying to stay in those straight lines if you can. And that's how you do a kettlebell pass-through or a kettlebell lunge. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, go ahead and like and subscribe below. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment box below. I'd be happy to answer them as soon as I can. Check me out on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and also come back and check out wallstreettrainer.com.